go window shopping, just look around without buying anything. Discounts make me happy because I will get my favorite things with cheaper price. Happy shopping everyone, thank you.
Okay. How are you, everyone? Shopping with mom. Okay. Can you tell me again what do you usually buy when you are shopping?
I usually buy bag, accessories, and shoes.
Shoes. Find the most expensive one, right? Okay. And how often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week.
Once a week. Really? Once a week?